mini Sonic 4K MyASS. So the LED inside is the same. Okay. Very loud fan. So the LED is inside is the same. No difference. But the length from here to here, it's 9 centimeters, and to mini is 5. So it goes only 5 centimeters. So this one cure faster resin. Maybe have a low power here, but yeah. So G2 and Phrozon make new printers. They are very bad. I think they made it from anycubic. To destroy anycubic, they put the same LCD screen. This is the same LCD screen like on mini. Everything is the same. They make it cheap printers. The screw here. Yeah, that doesn't really work. So that's it. I think this printer is faster. It can cure faster. Because I have a resin, I need 20 seconds. This one cured for 14, and that one for 14. It doesn't came out. The same resin. Choose a 14 second, but doesn't really work.